Waiting on the cat to be quiet. Greetings and salutations, you the lovely degenerates, and welcome back to the Fuzzy Wallflower, which is where weird and forgotten drinks and other late niceties. I'm your host, Corey. Today, I want to dive back into the Playboy's Host and Bar book. We've done some cocktails out of this one before. I mean, there's so many, and there, regardless of what you think about Playboy nowadays, it's a great book to pick up if you're just looking for a collection of old drinks. Anyway, we're going to do one called a Woodstock. What's interesting about it is it's kind of like the Habitat cocktail, because it's basically just a gin sour, but with maple syrup and a little bit of orange bitters. But either way, as always, I am not a bartender. Do not take this as bartending advice. So let's make a cocktail. 1.5 ounces of gin. 1 ounce of lemon juice. That's for 1/4 ounce of maple syrup. Yeah, I like maple syrup as sweetener and some of the stuff, especially like the old fashioned. It's all right. Okay, and a dash of orange bitters. Or 2. Feeling froggy. Alright, and now let's shake it. And we got us a glass. 1 strainer. 2 strainers. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, I usually count. It's all good. So, let's see what we got here. Alright, I like that. The gin and lemon go real well together, as you know, doing the sours. The maple syrup's kind of nice. It helps even it out just a little bit. You know, I don't think it needs to go any sweeter than that. But yeah, that's all right. Well, make sure I got that right set up. Y'all know what to do. Until next time, cheers.